In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a category in Zoho Expense. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to switch to admin view. And to do this, you want to go to the bottom left and click on switch to admin view. When you do this, you then want to go to settings over here on the left-hand side. And then in here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different things. And what you want to find here is, of course, categories. So if you go to module settings down here, it's going to say general and then categories. So you simply want to click on categories over here, and that's what you're going to see. Now over here on the left, if it's showing to you like this, you basically have to go in general, click on categories over here, and that's it. Now here you can see your existing categories, and you can just add a new one by clicking add a category or a new category here in the top right. And when you do so, you have to give it a name. I'm going to name this one drinks, for example. You can of course change the icon as well. So we're just going to put this one as, let's just actually leave it as that. And then here you can make it a subcategory if you want to. You can put in account codes, you can put in expense types, etc. So I'm just going to do, for example, over here, drinks like that, expense type. And then over here, you can add description. So for example, drinks. And then over here, you also have policies if you want to add any. And that's it. You can click on the save button. And as you can see, there we go. The expense category has been created. And now you can see it. It's over here. So that's essentially all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.